February 21st, 2024. Do I think AI is going to take the private event DJ's job in the future? My short answer, my honest answer as of today is absolutely not, and for good reason. Now, I think AI has its place in a lot of different ways. It's literally shifting the way that we work, the things that we can do, and the information that we have access to. But I think AI is a long way off from doing a DJ's job, which at a very high level it can do. It can play songs that are grouped based on metrics that it has access to. But we as DJs have so much more in our, responsibilities area than just pressing play. We as DJs are reacting real time to situations, to energy, to things that are happening, groupings of people, or just situations that are unfolding in real time. And I think for that reason, AI wouldn't and couldn't and doesn't have information that it could extract in a real-time situation or scenario and to be able to respond. I think if those metrics, those analytics, those flags, those energy markers were available to AI, then I think AI could potentially do better at being a DJ. But we as DJs do so much more than just play music. I think we're reacting. We're dealing with situations. We're dealing with hospitality. We're dealing with the delivery of services, whether it be food or drinks or maybe moments in the private event space, like a first dance in a wedding situation or something like that. And I think there is a lot of unknown. There's a lot of audible. There's a lot of energy. There's a lot of, situations or circumstances that can be presented real time that AI couldn't touch. And for that reason, I'm going to say AI is not happening anytime soon. So if you're a DJ watching this, don't freak out that AI is taking your job unless you're really, really shitty at your job, because then AI could probably take your job. But if you're a private event DJ, you're doing parties, you're helping people celebrate love and life and moments in time that can't be replaced, I think we are a long way off from AI taking our jobs over. If you are someone that is just playing background music, you're just pushing through tracks, you're not mixing, you're not being creative, you're not looking at the situations in front of you and reacting to them real time, then your job may be in jeopardy before someone like me, who's like literally into so many different parts of an event, doing so many different things beyond just playing music. I feel like your job might be in jeopardy in comparison to that. Now, I'm not trying to one-up anyone. I'm not trying to throw a boss card at anyone. I'm just trying to say that I don't think that AI is going to overtake the private event space anytime soon. That's me saying it right now, February 21st, 2024. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? I'd love to hear from you. Throw it in the comments down below. Be on the lookout for more videos coming to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thanks for watching.